Good morning, good day, rainy day. This morning is another day to learn about the basics of welding. Our topic is still on welding symbols. So here we have the modules on the screen. Quarter 2, week 2, 3, and 4. But this morning we'll just discuss the introductory part of the welding symbols. So please review some of the direction of welding figures. You have the parts of the electrode. Please review that. So here we go now. We are welding symbols part B. Quarter 2, week 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's proceed. Are you ready? Okay, good. So we have here the contour symbol. So in your welding work, you may be required to work from these drawings. So therefore, you should understand the use and meaning of these symbols. So we have here at least 4 main parts of the welding symbols. Okay, so I think you can read that one here. The arc welding symbol consists of the main 4 parts: reference line, an arrow, a basic welding symbol, and a tail. So the reference line is on the horizontal line, reference line, and you have the arrow. Okay, that's the arrow, the basic weld symbols, and the tail. Okay, so what is the reference line? Reference line is the line connected to the arrow. So you have here the reference line. So usually it's the basic position of the symbol. Above or beneath this line determines the location of the weld. So it's drawn parallel to the edge of the drawing. Okay, so that's the reference line. Okay, now let's move on to the second one, the arrow. The arrow indicates the position of the weld. So it is drawn at an angle from the end of the reference line to one side of the joint. This side is called the arrow side, okay, and the opposite side is called the other side of the joint. So look at that. So you have the arrow, and that's now the arrow side of the joint, and this one is the other side of the joint. Okay. Next is the arrow location. So welds on the arrow side of the joints are shown by inverting the weld symbol and placing it beneath the reference line. So we have here the basic weld symbols, the reference line, and the arrow. So you have beneath the reference line, that's the arrow side. So you have here symbol indicating fillet weld at arrow side of joint. So weld on the other side of joints are shown by placing the symbols above the reference line. So here is the drawing, basic weld symbols above the reference line. Okay, so symbol indicating fillet welds on the other side of joint. So weld on the both sides of the joints are shown by placing the weld symbols above and below the reference line. So you have here both sides, the arrow side and the other side. So fillet welds both sides of the joint. Okay, so I think that's all for now, and have a good day, and really be safe. Thank you.